I felt that she was getting more shy. She didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do.
Maybe I didn't lead the conversation a lot.
My name is Hanna. I'm from Poland. I'm 27 years old, and I'm a singer. Okay, so I didn't want it to be a boring date, so we will be going to an aquarium. I don't want to be one of the girls that just go to a cafe, because everyone does that. So I thought aquarium is still like we can do something fun, we can still talk and have real interactions. So yeah.
Hey!
Hey, nice to see you. Oh my God, I'm sorry, I was so stressed. You actually look really good.
Thank you,
very handsome. I'm so sorry to start with that.
You look so great as well.
Thank you, trying my best. What's your name?
My name is Bradley.
Bradley?
Yeah.
Okay,
Bradley.
Hanna.
Hannah.
How old are you?
Guess my age.
Oh no! Were you born in 1996?
Oh, very close.
What is it?
1994.
1994. Okay,
When were you
so
born?
what do you think? Be careful. Be careful, because that's very tricky.
I thought you were in high school actually. The moment
No,
you
stop! Stop! Why would you say that? That
maybe
make you shy.
Let's see, 22?
Twenty-seven. So I was born in 98.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so that's 4 years difference, right?
Yeah, 4 years difference.
Okay.
When I met Hannah for the first time, I could really feel the positive energy coming out of her. She really allowed me to open up more, and I think she really did a good job of not making things awkward.
Thank God he's handsome. I'm so sorry, but because I had no idea what to expect, right? As soon as I saw him, I was literally like, oh, nice. Yes, this might work. Yeah. So what do you do? What's your, like, are you students? I bet not. I bet you have a job.
I'm an actor and a model in Korea.
That makes sense, I guess,
what do you
with
do?
this face. I'm a singer.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm a singer.
Wow. What kind of music do you?
So it's like pop / R&B.
Pop / R&B?
Yes, if you're nice to me, I can write a song about you later.
That would be
So
fantastic.
That's actually,
That would be
that's my
something.
like love language. Do you have any hobbies? Like something that you...
I would say I like to go on drives by myself.
Like a car? Like a car?
Yeah,
You have a
drive.
car?
Yeah.
Can we go on a drive later?
That
Can we do it?
we could do it
I
actually.
love drives. I love drives. I can play you my music too.
That would be really fun actually. If you could.
Now it's a plan.
Okay. Sounds good.
We got it.
We got it. What I remember the most is during our date, she made plans on what we might possibly do for our next date. Like she said that she wants to play her music while we go on a drive or something. All that activities that she mentioned really hyped me up.
We made some plans pretty early on the date. He said he loves to go on drives. I was like, so we should go on a drive. He was like, actually, yeah, let's do it. So that was cool.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Wait, is that like a crocodile?
Look at this guy right over.
Whoa! Whoa! That's not fun. I do not like that. Oh my god.
Oh, look at
Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, he's so cute.
He looks like a little baby.
Yeah, it does. Oh my god, what are you doing here? Oh my god, we got a trick for free. Stop it. Oh my god, what are these? They're cute. Oh, okay.
What are they called? Seahorse? No, it's not seahorse.
That's not a seahorse. I think seahorse is completely different.
Yeah, I know,
it's like
I know.
this
Sorry.
tiny. I don't know.
Walrus.
Walrus.
I don't know how to pronounce that.
Do you want to sit?
Oh, well, why don't we talk?
Yeah.
I really like your hair. How'd you do it?
Really? I thought it might be too much.
No,
I do have curly hair. Like, it's my natural hair. But
I like it. I like it.
Thank you.
Very cute.
Stop it. Oh my god. Thank you. Trying my best out here. That's it.
Is it hot in here or?
It's me. It's actually me.
I think so. I think
literally,
so.
Yeah. Yeah.
Am I getting nervous?
Stop. Don't get nervous. It's fine.
땀나요.
It's fine. It's just me, you know?
So have you like dated any Korean guys before? or-
Yeah, I did.
You did?
I did.
Well,
I have experience.
okay. Well, what's it like compared dating with like foreign guys?
I think there isn't much comparison when it comes to like.
Then, which guys treated you more better?
Better?
Yeah. Korean guys or foreign
I
guys?
see where you're going with that. I would say Korean at the end of the day.
Oh, really?
I think Korean men actually do take like
Care of
good
you?
care of like
Okay.
women in general, their girlfriends. Like they're very much like all over them. You know what I mean?
All over them?
Like they're in a way of being like, oh, are you okay? Do you want me to like carry your bag? Do you want me to like, is
okay.
your hair okay?
So they're more
like they make
detailed.
sure. Yes.
Okay,
yes.
okay. I think that she's really good at making things comfortable with guys and try to make things not awkward.
We talked a lot during the date in general. I might be the one leading the date because I know what kind of person I am, but he did ask me a lot of questions, and I love that. Beautiful. Oh, I love this.
Is that a raccoon?
Oh my god, stop! This can't keep happening. Oh, why is it sleeping? Is there more? Is there more of them?
I'm sure.
Wait, what is this? Oh my god. Is it the beaver?
Yeah.
Oh, and there's a turtle. This is heaven. I do not want to go home. Wait, do we actually have to walk for this?
I guess.
Okay. This is scary. Can I go?
Yeah.
Can I go? This is scary.
It is.
Am I overreacting?
It's actually more scarier.
Wait. Okay, we got here. We're fine. We're fine.
You
We're
survived.
good. Oh my god. We had like a little moment when we were crossing a bridge and he like grabbed my hand. So that was, yeah, that was nice. Wait, should we
Wow.
try to feed the fish?
Yeah,
Actually?
that actually sounds fun.
That's awesome. Okay.
No.
Oh,
Oh,
wait. Hey. Can you open it?
okay.
Oh my god, look at them. They're so excited. Thank you. And the ducks. The ducks are here. Oh my
They're
god.
already ready.
On three.
Okay.
One, two, three. Oh my god. 난리 났어. So cute. They're the cutest little things. Oh my god. Can you take a video of me feeding the ducks?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. You have to do this too. So cute. Thank you so much.
Her positive and high tension vibe really allowed the date to go really smoothly at first. But as time passed, I felt like she was taking more energy out of myself. I think I wasn't that great with holding up towards her energy. Just wait a minute. Your coffee will be out soon.
I actually was getting kind of hungry.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
Why didn't you say so?
I mean, we were busy, obviously.
Yeah, we were watching the wonderful show.
Yeah. Can I ask you, what did you do at the first date?
We went to a cafe and just
Oh.
decorated a tree.
No. I bet it was boring.
I had a lot.
No comment. No.
You know, I wrote it down all the things that we have to do.
You actually did? What was it? Remind me.
First
Okay.
of all, we have to go on a drive and listen to your
Yes.
music. Second, we have to go to a cafe.
I feel like you missed something there. Okay, yeah, anyway.
Third,
But I said like cafe with good music. That was like the whole point.
and to a LP bar.
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like that. I think ours is out.
Oh, that was convenient. Very convenient.
So these are the walrus square.
This is so cute.
Shape that. Let's try it.
Does it have anything inside? Oh my god, is it like, what is it, like shukrim or something?
Yeah, it's like shukrim.
I love this.
bungeopang.
Yeah. Do you prefer it has the red bean? One of them has the shukrim, right?
I prefer the red meat.
Really? I prefer
Shukrim.
shukrim, but that's a good thing because then we don't fight about it.
Yeah,
It's a
perfect match.
balance, I guess. Okay, I mean, it's been long, but I did not expect that to.
Yeah, I know. Actually, I didn't notice that time was flying so fast.
No, yeah. Okay, now I'm panicking. What, any other questions?
Did you have fun?
Yes, did you have fun?
Of course.
How much fun did you have?
I lost track of time the moment you walked in.
Oh my god, stop.
Serious?
Okay, I'll take that, I'll take that.
Yeah. No, really, I had so much fun today.
Was it better than the first date?
That's a secret.
That's a secret.
Yes.
And you know what? Maybe it's good that it's over because leave them wanting more, right?
Yes, actually. Yes.
So, I don't mind. We can finish this.
Really?
I'm confident.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get going.
Okay.
And you have fun.
We might see each other later, maybe.
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 Hopefully. Yeah. Bye.
See ya. At first, I kind of thought that this might end up in a second date, but as I talked with her more, I really didn't get the honest vibe out of her. I thought that she wasn't being real with me, to be honest. But Hannah, you're a very good person and a kind person. Sorry.